Yes, as you all know, deportation is going on from United States by Donald Trump. If you see, this is not only Africa, but almost the South American part of the world, Asia, and Africa. Those are the people that are majorly affected by this deportation. But there is something I really want to talk about. Like I'm pleading, if anyone is very close to Donald Trump, he should tag him or let anyone who could reach him tag him on this video. We all know that what you are doing, what Donald Trump is doing, he didn't just wake up and start doing it. He said it even when he was campaigning. He said it that this is what he's going to do. Exactly what he's doing, he has already said it. And he's doing it. Yes, but I'm only going to plead to Donald Trump. Someone who has stayed in your country for like over 10 years has no more life back home. Let me put it that way. Because even if you give him billion, he cannot just go in and plug it and start to do business. He must, he must try to know the business is about doing before he plugs money into. So I'm pleading for Donald Trump to at least, as you are deporting people, give them something to hold on to. A lot of them don't have anything. They pick them from the street. From there, they are going home. I believe if they are given some little money, even though while in the air, some certain amount should be given to every deported person going home. I think it's not a bad one. It's not a bad one indeed. And if you recall, Sweden from Europe said anyone who can come up, any migrant, immigrant, or whatever you call them, Swedish government said they are ready to give 34,000 euro to anyone who could come up to be deported back home. They don't need migrants. They don't need immigrants. So, but they are giving 34,000 euro. So this is what I'm suggesting for Donald Trump. At least don't be that mean. Don't be that so wicked or mean to deport people and just empty-handed. These people, they will be going home with anger. And we know there is going to be a lot of problem worldwide. This is my own prophecy. There are going to be a problem. All the people that are being deported, they are not going to sit down and be happy with you or happy with your whatever, your companies or whatever thing you have in their land. That is the danger of this massive deportation. I'm not saying that it's nice. It's not nice, but also think along this line. Again, as you are also deporting people, there are a lot of politicians, they come to United States and other countries. For example, a president want to come to your land and he will come with more than 300 people. Many of them will not go back with the president. Some of them will run away, having gone in and see that they can stay and it's one of their dream place to be. So many of them coming with the president or the governor or any of the politicians. You are just coming for a meeting. You can come with 2 people or 3 people maximum, not coming with battalion. The whole plane will be full just to follow you. Can they protect you? Can they guide you? What are they going there to do? Many of them are running away. So Donald Trump should put eye on all these African politicians, presidents, governors coming to their land. They are bringing people. They are transporting people. In fact, they are doing human trafficking. That's what many of them are doing. So Donald Trump should monitor that area. Again, for some of our brothers, I keep telling people, some of our brothers in abroad, when we tell them try to save money, so many of them are in abroad here, some of them in Europe or whatever. They are only interested in dressing nice. They want to wear new shoes. They want to know wear raining clothes. Instead of them to think how they can fix themselves to better their life and to have stability, to stand with their 2 legs. You know what I'm talking about. Before you try to show yourself, at least You get wetin go dey help you dey waka for the street. At least make e be say you dey there. No be say you no get anything. Wetin dey important for you na to wear cloth, to wear shoes, new one, to follow all the girls on the street. So when they see you, you carve your beards, you are looking fresh, and that is all what you want to show. And you don't have ordinary tissue paper that can help you. If other countries follows what Donald Trump is doing now, you know how many people that will go home? A lot of people will go home. It's also a shame to all the politicians whom their people are running away. Japa. Those people that their people are running away. Shame on you people. I don't want to use these abusive words, but it's high time a lot of people start to think, how could you people said you are ruling people, why people are running away, Japan to another place, and where they are going, they are not welcome. Your foreign affairs minister don't even know how many of her citizens is outside. They don't want to know how many of their citizens that stays outside. You don't know the number that is in prison. You don't know the number that is on transit. You don't even know anything happening. The only time, for example, let me use Nigeria as an example. Someone like Kemi Badenoch is now a leader in a party in UK. They are now going to her. But you are forgetting there are some trapped in Russia, in Ukraine, in China, in Cambodia, almost everywhere. Only when they ripe, when they come up to a certain stage, you people want to go and connect and start relating with them like Kemi from Britain. Now everybody, what's her name? Abide Dabiri, Abike Dabiri. You are now want to connect to Kemi. Shetima want to connect with Kemi because she's recognized. She's a leader of a party, not even the prime minister. Do you get the point? Some of your citizens are trapped in Cambodia. Many are trapped in China, Indonesia, anywhere, every part of the world, Europe here. They are trapped. Shame on you people. That's the only thing I'm going to say. And our people, you should also know that no condition is permanent. Whatever thing you are doing, try to do some certain thing to help yourself. Helping yourself doesn't mean only to put food in your mouth or to dress nice. Yes, help yourself so that your legs will stand wherever you are living, so that when they push you, you will not fall. That's all I have here. I'm out of here.